Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new episode. Beautiful woman sitting on the orange colored chair. She wears strappy navy and yellow color printed dress with side slit. She got elegant gold color sandals. She's looking attractive with her simple makeup, matching glasses and blonde color long hair. Gorgeous lady sitting on the bed. She wears strappy olive green color shiny long dress and elegant beige color high heels with matching transparent stockings. She got attractive gold color necklace with tiny pendant. Her attractive makeup and modern hairstyle added her to elegant look. Charming woman standing near the TV stand. She wears ash color pencil skirt and long sleeve dark color top. She got attractive silver ring. She's looking beautiful with her simple makeup and brownish curly hair. Gorgeous woman sitting on the garden chair. She wears short sleeve animal print dress with black color high heels. She got attractive silver color anklet and dark color wristband. She holding a glass of drink. She's looking very pleasant with her beautiful smile and brown mixed dark hair. Amazing lady standing near the window. She wears white color sleeveless lace dress with beige color long sleeve cardigan. She got elegant silver color necklace and matching earrings. She has beautiful maroon color lipstick and attractive makeup. She's looking gorgeous with her curly brownish hair. Amazing lady standing near the concrete fence. She wears black color skirt with polka dot prints and short sleeve black color top. She got attractive dark color waist belt with silver buckle. She also wears pink color high heels with black color mesh stockings. She got elegant silver necklace and tiny earrings. She's looking amazing with her simple makeup and white color short hair.